So after changing or checking out the Bluetooth in the back, basically a lot of people will show you how to bypass this port and bypass this Bluetooth device right here that make it not working. It wasn't that one, so we changed the amp. Actually, I changed it. I got two of them actually. This is a customer. I kind of noticed, like, this is I ordered online, and then this is the customer's amp. I put another amp. It seemed to work okay, but I'm gonna double check everything. And yeah, this is a 2 amp doesn't work. So right now, after changing the amp, it's gonna flash 3 or 4 times, and now it's gonna stay solid. That means it's reading the speakers. So here you go.
So that's a real relationship.
Now you can hear sound, music, and you can touch. Compared to before, I cannot even do anything. See?
And there's many ways to
you know, you can change channel right now.
Little gestures, little gifts, things like that, whatever. But the most, I guess, 2024.
And China.
So as you can see right there, everything works. I'm not gonna even, I can see, I can put satellite, CD, aux, everything else. But
and why would they be?
And it worked. So that's the most important part, was changing the amp, not the Bluetooth device. No comment down here. Customer said there's some piece right here I had to change. There's nothing in there. And this is the Harman cardon.